Great money ideas often start quietly, long before people know they are strong. If money only grows when we work, what happens when we stop? It feels strange, right? We all think money comes from working hard, running fast, or chasing every small chance. But one man looked at the world and saw it differently. His name is Naval Ravikant, and he said wealth is not about chasing money. It is about building ourselves so money starts coming to us. At a time when many people were scared of failing, scared of losing jobs, and scared of moving slowly, Naval spoke simple words that showed a new path to millions. People were surprised because his ideas did not need big degrees, rich families, or special luck. They only needed clear thinking and patience. In this video, we will learn how Naval's ideas change the way we earn, how wealth can grow without chasing it, and how we can build a life where money comes quietly but stays forever. Stay with us because this video is full of truth, courage, and a new way of seeing success. Quiet rules of wealth. Naval often said that wealth is different from money, and this is the first rule we must know. Wealth means having things that keep growing even while we sleep, like skills, small businesses, online work, or parts of something that can grow bigger. Money is just numbers we use to buy food, clothes, or pay bills. But wealth is something that keeps making more value without us working all the time. Many people spend their life chasing money, but they never build real wealth. Real wealth gives us freedom, calm, and time to live life the way we want. If money keeps leaving our hands, it is not wealth. But if something keeps adding value to us, then it is real wealth. This simple rule is the start of building a safe and strong future for us. Build skills that grow. Us Naval said skills are our real tools, and he explained they should be rare, helpful, and hard for others to copy. These are called specific skills. Examples of specific skills are writing clearly, coding on computers, designing things, speaking online, teaching, or making small, helpful products. The rule is simple. Skills should earn more money as we get better and should make us different from everyone else. Skills are stronger than school degrees because nobody can take them away from us. When we grow our skills, our value grows, and when our value grows, money comes to us naturally. We should choose skills we enjoy so learning is fun and does not feel hard. Slowly, these skills make us people who attract success instead of chasing it all the time. Work. That scales big. Some work only grows when we spend more hours doing it. Other work can grow on its own after we build it once. Scalable work means it can reach 100 people, 1,000 people, or even millions without more effort each time. Examples of scalable work are making apps, writing books, running websites, making videos, or using online tools that work automatically. These things keep working for us even when we sleep or take a break. If our work cannot scale, we will stay tired and never grow. But if work can grow on its own, our wealth grows quietly in the background without stress. This helps us leave the work harder everyday cycle and enter the work smarter and grow quietly path. Scalable work multiplies what we do many times over. Use the power of the internet. The internet is the biggest tool for freedom in human history. Before the internet, only a few people could sell their ideas, skills, or products. Now, anyone with a phone or computer can reach the whole world. The internet spreads our work, shows our skills, and helps people find us from far away. One message can reach millions of people. One video can earn money for years. One small online tool can bring quiet income. We do not need rich families, big connections, or permission from anyone to grow. If we use the internet smartly, we do not need to chase chances. Chances start coming to us. The internet makes small work grow big and gives everyone a fair start. Work with tools, not just hands, machines, computers, and software, help us earn more because they multiply our work. One person using smart tools can do work that usually takes 100 people. Tools save time, make work faster, and let us create more with less effort. People who use tools grow faster, while people who only work with their hands stay stuck in small results. Tools do not get tired, take breaks, or stop working. Naval said we should not just work hard. We should work with tools so our results grow many times bigger. Using smart tools makes our path to wealth easier, faster, and safer. It lets us focus on smart choices and keeps our work growing quietly all the time. Choose effort that pays forever. Naval explained that some work only pays once, but some work keeps paying again and again, even after we stop touching it. This is called leverage, and it is one of his strongest ideas. Leveraged work means that once we create something, it keeps helping us earn without extra effort every day. This includes things like recorded courses, apps, ebooks, online guides, designs, or small parts of a company we own. Naval believed this kind of work gives us freedom because our time is no longer tied to our money. When our work keeps paying for years, we feel safe, calm, and free from daily struggle. He taught that the best life is when our effort is small, but our results grow bigger and bigger over time. Pick partners who lift us. Higher Naval said the people we work with can affect our future more than we think. Good partners support our ideas, share honest thoughts, and help us grow faster. Bad partners can slow us down, break our focus, and hurt our peace. A good partner is smart, kind, hardworking, and trustworthy. Naval believed that with the right people, our chances of success get stronger, and our steps feel safer. Working with the wrong people makes us tired, confused, and stressed, even if our skills are strong. So he taught us to pick friends, co-workers, and partners who add power to our life instead of taking it away. With the right team, we can grow faster, smarter, and with less worry. Stay calm while we grow. Naval always talked about keeping calm because a calm mind helps us make better choices. When our mind is noisy, angry, or scared, we choose wrong things that can hurt our future. Calm thinking gives clear ideas, better focus, and stronger control over what we do. Naval said money comes to people who think carefully and choose wisely, not to people who rush with fear. Peace is a type of power because it helps us see chances that others miss. A calm mind can turn problems into opportunities and stops us from wasting time on things that do not matter. This is why peace is also part of real wealth. Let time build our wealth. One of Naval's most famous ideas is that wealth grows slowly at first, then grows very fast later. This is the power of time. Time multiplies our effort, grows our skills, and increases the value of our work. Small steps done every day become huge results after months or years. Naval said most people lose because they quit early, not because they fail. If we stay patient, keep learning, and keep building, wealth will reach us even if it feels slow. Time is our quiet helper, and it works even when we do not see it. Trusting time helps us stop fearing delays and start making things that last for a long time. Money comes when we stop chasing it. Naval often said, money follows people who become valuable. This means we should focus on improving ourselves, not chasing fast money. Value is simple. When we help many people solve real problems or create useful things, money will find us. Chasing money directly makes people stressed and lost, but building value makes life easier and richer. The world rewards skill, honesty, creativity, and patience. When we become someone who helps others, money comes quietly and keeps coming. This is how we make wealth without feeling tired, worried, or desperate. These ideas from Naval Ravikant may look small, but they are secret paths that many successful people used long before they became rich. They did not run behind money, plus they grew skills, used tools, and let time build wealth for them. Remember, real wealth is not fast luck. It is smart choices, steady learning, and courage to do work that grows even when you rest. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy stories about building a better life. Share this video with someone who dreams of freedom. And together, let's start making a life where money comes quietly while you stay calm and in control.